Laura Negri, the Director of PnO Data Solutions, and today's webinar we're talking about the missing link. So let's get started on what the link is first. This was a feature that was requested by you, our users. You wanted a way to safely and securely share your videos and your reports with people external to your organization without them having to log into your zone. So we've done it. So let's see what it's all about. So I'm going to log into PnO Data Solutions. And this should all look pretty familiar from our past webinars. We'll go to our zone, Kara's demo zone, and the link feature is only associated with templates or reports. So the two reports that we've had previously are called the PnO Data Gait scores, which are the Edinburgh Visual Gait Score and the Prosthetic Observational Gait Score. There's a new feature that I'll show you, which is called Freeform Analysis. But again, the W associated with the icon next to it, that will tell you what a templated report is. It stands for wizard. It means you can do it multiple times over and over again, and you'll get new reports. So let's go to the Edinburgh webinar report that we created and take a look at how this link would work. So as the user, as the person who created the score, we have the ability to see the videos and we have the ability to see the decisions that we made and the images that we associated with those decisions. And this was a really great report, but when you exported it to a PDF, you lost the ability to see the videos. And it was a great way to just provide a piece of paper that would provide your practitioner with an outcome measure to show some clinical decisions on gait deviations. But there was that missing piece, which was that the person couldn't see the videos. So the other part about this was that if you exported this and you attached it to an electronic medical record, it was sometimes more tedious because then you'd have to attach maybe the videos as well, which might bog down your electronic medical record. So here we have the ability to go to the bottom, and where we usually see the share and the other functions, because we've already published this report, we have the ability to create a link to it. And this is going to link this report. So it's a very complicated string of things. We're just going to copy it by using our keyboard Command C, and then we'll hit OK. So now if I went over to my emails, I would compose a message that said, Dr. So-and-so, please see this report. And I could actually say it's the Edinburgh Visual Gait Score. And if I didn't want to actually put that entire string in, I just highlight it and I insert the link here. And then I can go ahead and send it. Now when Dr. So-and-so opens their email, they will open it up and they can just click on that link and go to it. So now we're seeing just the report. And this is really where that link is handy, because the person isn't able to navigate into your PnO Data zone and see your other videos or anything else. They're just allowed to see the videos that you have shared with them. So they can click on the video and they can make it larger and they can see how your patient is walking. And then they can go back to the report. They can see your entire report that says why you did the report, all of the clinical decisions that you made associated with this report, where this person has deviations. And again, the pretty important part is that they can see those videos. They get the final score. Everything that they need is all in that report. So then they can print this as well and attach it to an electronic medical record, or they can also take this link and attach it to an electronic medical record, because then that way the videos are associated with it and anybody at any time can pull that up in the EMR, see the videos, and see the report. So that is the easy part of the link. You know, it makes it so easy for you to share a report with an external colleague that you want to be able to see the videos safely and securely, but without having access to your PnO Data zone. So as I showed you before, this was the GATE scores that I did this one with. Now, if you're wondering about just any type of observation that you might want to make and share that with a physician, you can use the free-form analysis to share observations that aren't in a templated way. So let's just open one up to see. So we'll open this one up. And we've got our videos loaded, because that's going to be the very same process that you would do with a GATE score report. And what we do is we just add an observation. We can go through the video using our video analysis tools. We can show here, let's say he's stubbing his toe. We'll take an image of that and we'll say stubbing toe. And we can just go ahead and let's say we only want to make 2 observations. Nothing big. We don't have to fill out the entire report, because sometimes the feedback has been that those GATE scores, because they are research-based, they have a lot to them. And again, they're sensitive enough to detect changes in intervention, so they do have to be quite thorough. But if you just want to make an observation and share it with your colleague, then you can just go through one screen, make an observation, take some images, and then if you click on the progress bar at the bottom, you can actually go all the way to the bottom, or to the summary report, and you'll see your whole report there. And it's just, we call a free-form analysis, no template associated with it. So again, if you go down to the bottom of this report, you can send that link. And that link you can copy again. You can add that to your email to Dr. So-and-so. And if they wanted to, they could click on that link. And what they would see is this. So again, very clean, easy way, sharing a video and a video analysis with an external colleague without having to have too much of a hassle. So we've gone over the missing link. Why was it created? You asked for it. You wanted a way to safely and securely share videos with people without having to email long, big files, and your analysis and your observations with the drawing tools in an email or another way to attach to your electronic medical record. So that is the link, and the feature is already available for those who have a PnO Data zone. You can go ahead and start using it right away.